Good afternoon, students of 10th standard in algebra. We have started problem set 1 in that. First question, that is the MCQs, we have completed. Question number 2 also we have completed. Third, now we will take fourth one. I will read the question. To solve x plus y is equal to 3 and 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. By determinant method, find D. In this way question is there. We will convert this equation first of all in the form ax plus by is equal to c. So it will become negative 4 becomes positive 4. Compare with a1x, b1y and c1. So a1 will be 1, b1 will be 1, c1 will be 3. Here a2 will be 3, b2 will be minus 2 and c2 will be positive 4. So D is equal to a1, a2, b1, b2. Put the values here. 1, 3, 1 minus 2. Cross multiply it. 1 into minus 2 minus 3 into 1. So minus 2 minus 3 will be minus 5. Negative 5 is the correct answer. Option number C. Next is fifth one. Equation is given to you. Ax plus by is equal to c. And second equation is given mx plus ny is equal to c, and an is equal to bm. An is not equal to bm in this way, it is given to you. So then these are simultaneous equations have. First of all, convert this in the form of fraction. So a by m is not equal to b by n. This is what m I am taking to the left side, n I am taking to the right side. So a by m is not equal to b by n. If you see in this, a1 is a, b1 is b, a2 is m. As it is a small, I am taking somewhat big, means capital I am taking, and b2 is n. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then you can say it has unique solution. Means one and only one common solution. Unique solution or only one common solution. Means these lines are intersecting lines. When you plot this on the graph, you will get only one point, one solution for this. They are intersecting lines, so it has only one solution. So option number A. Now we'll take question number second. In question number second, complete the following table to draw the graph. It is graph, and question number third is also graphical. So we will take after this chapter. Now question number 4, find the values of each of the following determinants. First is 4, 2 and 3, 7. Value of the determinant 4 into 7 minus 3 into 2. So 28 minus 6 you will get 22. So first answer we got 4 7 28 minus 6 will be 22. Second is 5 minus 3 and negative 2 and 1 is there. So 5 into 1 minus in bracket minus 2 into minus 3. So 5 as it is negative into negative, positive into negative is negative, 2 is 6, so minus 1 will be there. Third, 3 1 minus 1 and 4, 3 1 minus 1 and 4, cross multiply, minus in bracket minus 1 into 1, 3 4 are 12, plus 1 will be 13. So in this way, third question we have seen. Now question number 5th is there. Solve the following equations by Cramer's rule. Solve the following equations by Cramer's rule. So I will show here. First equation is 6x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. 6x minus 3y is equal to minus 10, and 3x plus 5y minus 8 is equal to 0. 6x minus 3y is equal to minus 10 and 3x plus 5y is equal to minus 8. So we will convert this in the form of ax plus by is equal to c in this way. Now comparing with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to c1. So a1 will be 6, b1 will be minus 3 and c1 will be negative 10. About a2 you will get 3, b2 you got 5 and c2 you got 8. Now d is equal to a1 a2 b1 b2. Put the values 6, 3, minus 3 and 5. Find the value of the determinant. 6 into 5 minus in bracket minus 3 into 3. 6 5 is 30, minus into minus is plus, 3 3 are 9, so you will get 39. Now you find dx, c1 c2 b1 b2. c1 is 10, 8, minus 3 and 5. Cross multiply, minus in bracket minus 3 into 8, so 50 plus 24, you will get 74. Now next is c1 c2 is there, minus here problem is there, here minus 10 is there, sorry, minus 10 and 8, so here minus 10 will be there, minus 50 plus 24 means negative 26. That only it should be the multiple of 13 here. Next is dy in this a1 a2 and c1 c2. a1 is 6 3, c1 c2 is minus 10 and 8. Cross multiply 6 into 8 minus in bracket minus 10 into 3. 6 8 is 48, minus into minus is plus, 10 3 is 30, so you will get 78. Now by Cramer's rule, dx is equal to dx by d. We have dx here minus 26 by 39 dividing by 13, 13 minus 2 and 33 is the, and about y, dy by d 78 by 39, you will get positive 2. Therefore minus 2 by 3 comma 2 is the solution of the given equations. In this way we have solved first question of that question number 5th. Remaining questions we will continue tomorrow, so we will stop for this. Thank you very much.